Welcome to MathExamTutor.com. In this quick demo, we will showcase a variety of exam questions designed to help primary students excel in their test. Once you log into MathExamTutor.com, parents can register multiple profiles based on the school year. In this example, I have a student Henry and he's in year 5. And I'm going to start a test for him. Our test covers many topics according to the different grade in the year the student is currently in. So in this example, the question, what is the perimeter of the rectangle with a length of 12 cm and a width of 8 cm? And the answer is 40. This is our major release. We encourage parents and teachers to register and give us feedback to continue improve on the website. The registration is very easy. You simply follow the sign up step and you can contact us to provide us the feedback. Thank you.